welcome to this video where we will have to evaluate this algebraic expression. So we are given that m is equals to 2 over 3. This is the value that later on we will substitute in. N equals to 3/4, and therefore every time I want to substitute a value in, I always remember and remind myself to put brackets. Yes, so that I will not make careless mistakes. So m will be 2 times 2 over 3. This one is power 2, and there is it, m inside here, 2 over 3 minus 4 times 3 over 4. Right, and let's continue, and therefore slowly we tackle and evaluate the brackets step by step. 2 over 3 times 2 over 3, this will give me 4 over 9. This one will be 2 over 3 because there is no negative sign in front of the bracket for 2 over 3, minus 4 times 3/4 will be equals to 4. It will be equals to 3, sorry. And let's continue. We do the bracket inside first. So this is 2 times 4 over 9. We continue to simplify this, 2 over 3. And do take note, this is how we simplify a fraction. We make sure that the denominator is the same, so that I can, whole thing will be over 3. 2 minus 3 times 3 is 9. And let's continue to work on this. It will be 2 times 4 over 9 times negative 7 over 3. Then we are going to multiply them from left to right. Yep. So this is 2 times 4 over 9. Do take note again, this is actually 2 over 1 times 4 over 9. So the numerator times numerator, 2 times 4, 8. 1 times 9, 9. And I'm continue to multiply this. And eventually I will get, when there's no space, it's okay. I will continue to write on the other side of this space. So this one will be equal to 8 times 7. And this one is positive and negative. So final answer will be negative answer. 56 over 9 times 3, 27, and it will be good to show your final answer as a mixed number. This will be equals to 2 over 27 negative. With that, we have come to the end of this video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.